there is a planet, 124 light-years away, covered entirely by ocean. It may not be alone. In 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope turned its golden gaze toward a world called K2-18b. What it found shook the scientific world. Molecules in an alien atmosphere, 124 light-years away. Transmission spectroscopy. Starlight filtered through K2-18b's atmosphere. Every molecule left a fingerprint. JWST read it. Carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, expected. Then, something no one anticipated. Dimethyl sulfide. On Earth, produced by one thing only, living marine organisms. The room went silent. A 1 sigma signal, the edge of credibility. But in the noise, a peak appeared exactly where DMS should be. To understand the signal, we need to understand the world. Let's go there. K2-18b, constellation Leo, 8.6 Earth masses, 2.6 times our diameter, a world unlike anything in our solar system. It belongs to a category that existed only in equations, a name that sounds mythological, a Hycean planet. Hydrogen, ocean, 2 words describing something incomprehensible, a sky of gas pressing down on a global sea. An ocean with no shore, no continent, no desert, just water, pole to pole, waves 100 meters tall. Hydrogen acts as a planetary greenhouse. It traps warmth. Beneath it, liquid water, potentially thousands of kilometers deep. Place Earth beside K2-18b, and our world becomes marble. Yet the ocean temperature may be a tropical 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. K2-18b orbits within its star's habitable zone. Not too hot, not too cold. The Goldilocks band for an alien story. K2-18b is tidally locked. One face eternal day, one face eternal night. Between them, a twilight belt where life may thrive. In the twilight zone, the star hangs frozen on the horizon. Neither day nor night. Permanent dusk over a calm alien sea. The storms here dwarf anything in our solar system. Continent-sized hurricanes spinning for centuries with nothing to stop them. The ocean may be thousands of kilometers deep, so extreme that water itself changes phase. Ice under heat. Life on Earth survives volcanoes, acid lakes, nuclear reactors. K2-18b's extremes may not be a barrier. They may be a cradle. Sub-Neptune worlds are the galaxy's most common planet type. If Hycean worlds support life, the number of candidates is staggering. But we return to K2-18b because something here left a chemical message in starlight, and it's waiting to be read. Dimethyl sulfide, 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens, 1 sulfur, a molecule so simple and so profound. On Earth, phytoplankton release DMS as a metabolic byproduct. Trillions of cells every summer. It's the smell of the sea. DMS rises into the atmosphere, reacts with oxygen, shapes clouds. The chemical exhale of living oceans. That same signature crossed 124 light-years and arrived at JWST's detectors. A message sent without intention. Cambridge's Professor Madhusudan called it the most exciting result of his career. 2 decades studying alien atmospheres. Could DMS form without life? In theory, yes, through volcanism or UV reactions, but not at these concentrations. In 2024, follow-up observations made the signal stronger. Still not confirmed, but the whisper was becoming a voice. Confirmation needs more transits, more years of careful data. because the cost of being wrong is too great to rush. What if we're right? Not fossil life, not extinct chemistry, living organisms, right now, in an ocean 124 light-years away. We would not be alone. 4 words, the most consequential our species has ever prepared to say. Let us descend. What would evolution produce in an endless ocean, with no land to climb onto and no sky to escape to? No legs, no spine, no wings. Buoyancy is everything here. Masters of pressure, architects of current. Evolution may favor the collective. Billions of organisms acting as one. A living ocean that senses, reacts, communicates. Near the surface, organisms may harvest infrared light directly. Black pigmented, invisible to us, drinking heat. Even in abundance, competition shapes life. The predator here creates pressure pulses, herding, collapsing swarms inward like a living implosion. Earth's blue whale reaches 30 meters. In an ocean with no shore to stop them, what upper limit exists for size? Creatures kilometers long, drifting like living continents. The ecosystem of K2-18b may operate on scales beyond our frameworks. In the crushing deep, where K2-18b's gravity compresses water into exotic states, life abandons rigidity entirely. Pure fluid organisms. Somewhere in the sunlit zone, microbes exhale DMS. They have no idea their breath is being read across the cosmos. From microbe to molecule to atmosphere to starlight to mirror, a chain so long it seems designed, and yet it exists. Mars, 50 missions, rovers, drills, chemical analysis, and nothing, not a fossil, not a spore, not even a promising signal. Now look at K2-18b. Liquid water, confirmed. Carbon chemistry, confirmed. Hydrogen atmosphere, confirmed. Every box checked. If K2-18b is positive, the Drake equation changes. The fraction of life-bearing planets leaps from 0 to measurable. The galaxy isn't empty. It's crowded. That changes everything. How we fund science. How we build telescopes. How we answer the question every human has asked looking at the stars. Right now, JWST is gathering photons from worlds we'll never visit. Our proxy. Our eye in the dark. K2-18b turns without knowing we watch. We are still listening. K2-18b changed the question forever. Not are we alone, but where are the others?